Nice and easy on. Oh, I hit the apron. Yep, because I'm terrible. I'm so bad. I need to learn how to drive this car. I'm about to like literally force myself in the cockpit. It's a mistake. I just learned how to drive this thing. Okay. Okay. Now you guys can see how much I saw the wheel. This is me just keeping the rear end intact. I do that at so many tracks. I just keep sawing the wheel back and forth because I need to keep the rear end from sliding. Now I'm sideways. My tire we're at 56.62. But I'm getting slower as the run goes on, and it looks like we are struggling. Thankfully, Dawson's actually helping out, so I appreciate that. But at the moment, we are either going to finish 20th or we're going to finish 21st, 22nd. So we finished top 25. I mean, we're hitting our sponsor goals, so that's a good thing. We just got to see what. My worry is level 5 is not going to get us up to where we need to get. Like, is it really going to get us to compete for wins? I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe for the truck series, 103 difficulty might be too high, but we're stubborn. We're going to keep it. That's how we're keeping it until I literally can't win at all. We don't even have to worry about winning races to be fair right now. Just hit the sponsor goal and carry on. That's all that matters at the moment. I'm hoping the next race, wherever we go, is going to be our first race of level 5. I really hope it's not road course, because I just want to see what level 5 can be. My left front tire is warm before my right front tire. Left sides in this game wear very quickly. I don't know why. Alright, Homestead is done. I guess it was a little bit better than Vegas, but still, we are struggling at the mile and a half. The truck just don't have a good relationship. We're not on good speaking terms right now. Gotta figure it out. Another 1200 rep. Got some clean racing. I mean, I raced pretty much everyone clean. Top 20 is good stuff. You can't win it if you don't finish it. I mean, we got 5 wins last season in ARCA. I'd like around that number of trucks, to be honest. Let's see what we can do here. We're not even making a lot of money. That's my biggest worry, is we're not making enough money. And I know for a fact the money's going to come into play, especially towards the next series in Xfinity. I just have a big worry money's going to come into play. Again, not one of our best tracks, Martinsville. I think we got a top 10 in ARCA there. It's a pretty difficult track. Not a track I really want to try out right now. New sponsor interest, it will be, is that Kooks? I don't know what the heck that is. Alright, but fine. We need a 22nd place. That again might be tough. Parts store, give me level 5 or our tire. Oh, that's why. Okay. Well. There's a level 6. Alrighty. Surprise. This is why I don't read spoilers. I was not expecting that. Okay. That's a lot of money. Wow. Alright, what do we do here? Okay, so we're going to go to the money. Let's just get out of here. Sell you. And back off. And we're just going to sell. Just to get out. Just sell. Alright, the game does like a measly $2,000. Okay. Alright, engine is most important. And then after that is probably suspension, I think, or chassis. Suspension is stability, grip, and responsiveness. Chassis is durability, stability, and balance. Aerodynamics and drag, power, acceleration. We need that engine. Alright. Okay. We got to manage the money here, lads. God bless Daytona. Thank you so much for that result. I needed that result. Alright. First, let's go check the staff. I feel like we might... Yeah, okay. Oh, man. This is... We're managing money now, ladies and gents. We're managing money. Let me think. Alright. And then we're going to use a level 6 chassis or suspension. Which one are we going to go with? We're going to go with suspension. And we're going to, again, put that into car number 1, technically. Our main car. And then we're going to go chassis, level 6. We're going to put that in the main car. That means our body's a level 3. We have $56,000. I can keep level 4 and everything else, but we'll go back and forth. Basically, we'll have one really good truck. But then the parts are going to get worn. Oh my god, how am I going to do this?